Look at the roads. Wow.
One world, one ride.
Jai Shri Ram. Okay, good morning guys. This is Devashish. Today's ride is 250 kilometers. I don't know where, because these buggers have not given me the itinerary. Huh? No. No need now. Where are we going today? Nibido, the capital city. Okay, so we are going to Nibido, the capital city of Myanmar, and hope it is a good ride, not as dusty as yesterday. This was a okay place. Boy. Best part about my bike is, hell yeah, you can go wherever. However, Maria will be riding with me, my little sister. She'll be riding. That's nice. हाँ थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होने वाला है, because I'm not used to a pillion. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, no bridge. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. This छोटा होड़ी, it reminds me of Calcutta. The small boats. Oh, Calcutta is beautiful. Hey, I remember this petrol pump. Huh. Johan, याद है? I yelled at Renuka and I yelled at Mr. Tin also for giving us a long ride on the border date. The ride was somewhere around 400 kilometers and we had to cross the border, and I was really upset, and it was raining and it was pitch dark night. And we got delayed in the border. Usually we don't take much. We don't ride much when you cross the border, because you don't know how much time it's gonna take at the borders. Now after all these things, now once I've crossed, this is the 4th time I'm crossing Myanmar, and after all this thing I come to know that you don't need a carne in Myanmar also. So you don't need a carne in Thailand, you don't need a carne in Myanmar. India, to get out and get in, you need a carne. I don't know why they have kept the system. They should have, it should have been something like Nepal and Bhutan. It should be, the system should be like that. But I think there are some certain agencies who blackmail the shit out of you, that okay, if you want a carne, you want to take, you will have to take the guide through us, because the guide in Myanmar and Thailand is a bit expensive, but in Myanmar it is very cheap. And these agencies, they charge you, their profit margin is 100%. Whatever these workers are, the poor people are going to charge, they're going to charge double, triple. I've experienced it. I'm going to give a link for 2 agencies. One, my favorite, 10, and the new one I'm trying out. You guys can get in touch with them directly. Now you guys will have to figure out how to get the carne, because just Google it and find out how do you get them. Maybe I didn't explore that thing much, but yes, and you got to figure out the thing of money transferring. वरना बहुत लफड़ा चलता, money transfer का problem. Then but yes, if these things are covered, I think you guys can go to Thailand very easily and it won't be that expensive. Yeah, this compulsory escort shit is a bit stupid, but can't help it. But in Myanmar it is not that expensive, I think. Thailand recently started it because in Thailand it is said that, you know, the Chinese used to come and put their RVs anywhere, so they started the compulsory escort thing. Okay, so I had chai, 2 cups of chai. The chai is really, really tasty here. It is something like Irani chai in our country. वैसे type का taste है. It was beautiful, and it's good to have a little sister behind because you get wet wipes, you get your helmet visor cleaned. That's the luxury. Sometimes, usually I don't go for wet wipes and all. It's too CC for me. But then when if somebody else is carrying and doing it, it's really nice. Great. Yeah. Yeah. You got to push it in with a shark. Okay, lunch stop we have done around 200 kilometers from now. It's been what, 4 hours we are riding and we just done 200 kilometers. And it's really, really hot. Let's have some lunch and then we should resume the journey. Okay, so we had lunch. The travel is 150 kilometers more, 160 kilometers more, and Google shows 3.5 hours. Damn, because we are not taking the highways are not allowed again here. Same thing like China, so we are taking rural roads and it is hot and it is very slow. I don't think we will be able to explore capital because by the time we reach I will be really, really tired. Alrighty then, let's go. Okay. Oh damn, I need to fuel also. Gotta tell him. Okay, so this place is called Swa. That's a little tea shop. Had a lot of water. Damn. And it is very, very hot. You have no idea how hot I'm feeling, and I'm wondering India mein kya hoega. India will be even hotter than this.
We have reached the hotel, and to my surprise, they booked a very nice hotel, Hilton, beautiful place. Maybe I was a bit upset yesterday, so I told them that, you know what, this is not right, and you people are being cheap. But then, you know, they worked out something, and yeah, voila, a 5-star. Lovely room, and I'm goddamn tired, need a shower. Really, really, you know, the heat really kills you out. The temperature was really, really, but still, I hope you enjoyed the ride. This route is different from what I had come 3 times, but then I've never come to the capital. Tomorrow morning we will be able to explore the capital, and yeah, let's see what happens, because right now I don't think I have the energy nor I have the time to explore the city. But tomorrow morning we will try to, because tomorrow there's only 200 kilometers to go, and let's see how it goes. Till then, all the lovely people who are watching this video, stay blessed. Good night.
Jai Shri Ram. Good morning, guys. This is Devashish, and here we go. Today, Mandalay of my school friend is waiting for me. Right now, we are going and seeing Nipido Capital Parliament, and I've been escorted by a police car. Well, that's nice. Okay, where did the police car go? Oh, there you are. Oh, that's the police car, tourist police. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Nipido, check out the parliament, click some photographs there, and from there we proceed to Mandalay. Mandalay, my very dear friend Ravinesh Kokar. I promised him if I'm alive, I'm gonna come back to the same route and I'm gonna visit him. If you remember my Mandalay video, the guy who is my school friend, I promised him that. So the reason I'm riding back is him. Oh, look at the road. Oh, these roads I could go 180. Yesterday, in fact, I did 180, but then what happened was my Sena battery went dead. Couldn't record much. The hotel was Hyatt, beautiful hotel. The boys have done a good job. Look at the roads. Wow. Oh man, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8 lane at one side, 8 lane there. Whoa. That's so really wonderful. Isn't it beautiful? Let me show you. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, look at the road. Damn. साला प्लेन लैंड हो जाएगा यार, छोटा वाला. This is so gorgeous. Fuck, look at that. Damn, look at the roads. Oh man. It's like a runway, man. Whoa. This is really, really gorgeous. Beautiful. I tell you, this is awesome. बहुत बढ़िया, खूब भालो. काय मस्त आहे रे. चमाईला. You can have drag races here. क्या अभी मामा है साथ में. If I didn't have this tourist police escorting me, I would have ripped 180 to 200 on these roads. Whoa. Just wow. Wow, look at this. So beautifully made. So well, that's the parliament. Look at this road. We had some nice photo session taken. You see, that's the parliament of Myanmar. Big, huge. They must be having some Republic Day parade here or something like that. But damn, big road, eh? Okay, Maria, let's go. Okay, reached the same place, same hotel. जाते वक्त यहाँ से गए थे. Oh boy, I don't think I can park my bike here. And damn, I'm missing DJ. Me and DJ भैया. DJ आना चाहिए था यार तेरे को. खामा का उधर से फ्लाइट पकड़ा पागल. Anyways, so I'll wait for my friend to come and then we'll have fun. Till then. Okay guys, so with me is Ravinesh Bhai. वापस आ गया मैं तेरे पास. So I had promised him while going from here for the world ride that अगर जिंदा रहा तो वापस आऊँगा. हाँ दादा.
You have done it. You have done it.
जिंदा रहा तो जिंदा है तो promise निभाया.
नहीं.
One of the reason I'm going through Myanmar is just because of you, my friend. Because I promised you that I will ride back and I will come and meet you.
No. Riding back to India is the best achievement.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. So it is, and by the way, he's my classmate and it's been a long time. और 9 महीने के बाद वापस डैम हो गया यार.
जून से अभी तक हाँ?
जून. बढ़िया महीना हो गया यार. और राउंड मार के आ गया यार. So now we're gonna have a nice conversation and we will faff around a bit. So to all the lovely people who are watching this video, stay blessed and bye bye.
One world, one ride.
Okay guys, any moment I should reach. I'm gonna enter India. Here I go. Any moment. Okay. Welcome to India. Damn. What a special moment for me.